my channel. How are you guys doing? So today I have a guest with me, my best friend Ishita. So today we are going to do a huge plum haul. Plum sale. Plum sale haul. Sorry.
Whatever.
Plum sale haul. Okay, so even I can't lift it. She had to help me out with this. Okay, so the main reason she is here with me because I haven't picked any of this item. She had picked everything for me because she's really great at picking up fragrance. मेरे पास plum का बहुत सारा सामान है, right?
And I have used many products from Plum,
Yeah.
and it's a must-have those products.
हाँ, so I was like, this is your thing. Just get everything you want me to try out. So plum का sale haul चल रहा था, उनकी 10th anniversary थी, तो buy two
Get two and buy three, get three is also there.
हाँ, so ये दोनों ऑफर चल रही थी, तो I was like, go crazy and just buy things for me.
Whatever I like, she's like कि तुझे जो पसंद हो, मतलब whatever you want to
मैंने
have.
कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं बोला था कि मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए, मुझे ये चीज़ चाहिए. I didn't did that, right?
उसने बोल दिया clear, she was very clear कि तुझे जो पसंद हो मेरे लिए, and if you feel कि this will go with me or this will go on me, then just get it for me. That's it.
So like I can see so many products and I'm like really excited to try. Now let's not make this intro any longer. Let's get into today's video. Let's start with the first
So,
product.
I'm
What is the first thing that you got for me?
Let me start with the most vital and my most favorite product. That is this.
Oh,
Body lotion.
बहुत वायरल हुआ है ये. सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, सारे नहीं इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ही नहीं बाकी सारे लोग इसे बहुत यूज करते हैं. दिस इज
vanilla caramello body lotion with cocoa butter. Let me tell you कि इसमें क्या चीज ऐसी है कि everyone is like कि I want to have this.
सबसे पहले मुझे स्मेल करनी
Yeah.
है. Smells so good यार.
I told
Caramel
you.
plus vanilla.
Order
Nice
this.
choice. And pricing and everything will be on the screen. So yeah, क्योंकि आधी चीजों की तो प्राइसिंग होगी ही नहीं ना, आधे में तो फ्री आएगा. But still I will pop up on the screen if you want any reference then.
Shower gel.
Hawaiian Rumba, this is my favorite fragrance. I really love this, but I didn't had this shower gel.
She always used this. It's mist like Hawaiian Rumba. That is too good. And this shower gel is
I was
also
about
very
to
nice.
get over with my Hawaiian Rumba mist.
I have one. Don't worry.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I knew it. And
अरे
here,
रे यार, Ishita, she got a combo. I was like, great babe, great. Nice,
I have
nice. This
few
is
more
so good.
things.
This is seriously so good, yeah.
It's a
I
mess,
love
bro.
this. I love this. Crazy on shower gel.
You will love this pen because
I
I've also
already use
used
this mist. I use so many plum fragrances. Like I am a big fan of plum body loving.
Actually, Plum have really good smell as well.
ये कुछ interesting लग रहा है.
Yeah, you will love its fragrance.
This is very interesting fragrance.
I told you, it is. Like
Yes.
it has some citrus
Haan.
notes in it, and it will give you like really very fresh vibe mostly in summers. And
Summers,
right
yeah,
now,
definitely.
it is the
Very
kind of
humid weather because
Yeah.
monsoon summer का ना mix
Mixture
हुआ पड़ा
पूरा.
है हमारे एरिया में कहाँ है, अहमदाबाद में तो ऐसा ही होता है. I have like this kind of moods. Some days I to smell like a flower. Some days I want to smell like a this
vanilla, warm
हाँ,
vanilla,
warm vanilla. Some days I want to smell like a beach.
beachy,
हाँ, so-
beachy vibes.
so
I know, even
I
I have the same thing.
So like good options. Now I have good amount of options.
I have something more interesting. than
Okay.
this. Actually, this is for the first time I ordered red velvet. She's a huge fan of red velvet things, so I thought let me get it for her. Try it, smell first.
कितनी सारी
इसका
वो
तो-
हो गए हैं shower gel.
Here it's
You also got the body butter. Body yogurt? No,
No,
body
it's
butter.
body
It is-
butter.
It is a body butter.
let me smell it because मैंने भी इसका smell तो नहीं किया. Honestly, I don't feel like red velvet.
जैसे खाटू दही नहीं smell आती हो है ना?
ना
Like it
એવું भी
smells like
નથી.
something weird. How
It
this
smells
like?
little sweet but does not smell like red velvet.
Hmm.
मैं पहली बार प्लम थी डिसअपॉइंटमेंट लाइक फेस કર્યું છે. This is the only product.
You can skip this.
हाँ.
है ना? आनाथी सारू.
ना लेवाय. For you. She even loves coconut. Too much.
I love coconut.
This is not just only shampoo.
Hmm.
It has like this peptides in it, which will
Strength
give
and,
and shine
shine
your
to
hair.
my-
And I have used this. It's a must try.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a.
This is the real situation
And-
of my hairs. You also got a conditioner with. Wow,
मैंने
yeah,
सब कुछ कॉम्बो में लिया है. उसको तो
she's-
फील ही नहीं होना चाहिए.
they have used really good amount of
अपनी स्मेल ट्राई कर लीजिए. Trust me, you will love it.
ingredients भी આના બહુ સારા છે.
મેં પહેલા ચેક કર્યું તો બ્રો પછી તારા માટે ઓર્ડર કર્યું.
Nice.
It smells too coconut, no?
Uh-huh.
And I love that. And I was sure you will like it.
Okay, I don't mind little bit fragrance in my shampoo. There are people who don't like fragrance in
Fragrances,
their
yeah.
But I am someone
I
that who
prefer.
actually want fragrance
Even I
in
too.
their shampoo or conditioner.
And in products as well.
Nice. કેટલી બધી વસ્તુ છે.
હજી બહુ બધું બાકી છે bro.
Okay, okay.
This is basically for you. You used to have lot of makeup all the time, so I thought let me give you something which
This
will
is salicylic acid face wash. This is the foam wala. This is a foam face
Yeah.
wash.
અને આ તારા pores ને unblock કરી
This is
નાખશે.
so fascinating. Pores ne?
Unblock કરી દેશે just because you are using na that cleansing balm.
Yeah.
मेरे पास तेरे लिए कुछ और भी है. Guess what?
What? अब ડબ્બામાંથી કાઢતો થવા પડે.
I know she used to like using this
A lot.
a lot.
A lot. Like a lot is a small word because every time I remove my makeup, I just use this baby right here, and this is like this is the pack one. मेरे पास अभी वो
हाँ.
पड़ा है.
Then don't open it na.
Okay.
Let it be, just to show that image.
Just I am being very impatient. Impatient बोलवा जती थी. Is there a word impatient?
No, it is not.
Impatient. I use this a lot because it melts my makeup really well.
And I know कि ये उसका मतलब go to product है. So I thought कि let me have one for her. I have another one जो she used to use it every time.
Every time I use this. And I love the smell.
It smells actually good, huh? Like very delicious
yeah,
and something
yeah.
like that.
It smells like bubble gum.
આ બધી જ વસ્તુ free છે.
Oh,
Can you believe?
minis.
Yeah, you got this free with your order. So let me tell you this first.
This is the
hair
same,
serum
huh.
and the another is one shampoo.
Oh, this is really good for travel purpose.
Yeah, actually.
Look cute. So cute. I am very excited when I see all these cute products.
And this is Hall of Fame trio in which you get face wash, and they have this gel cream which has rice water and niacinamide, and they have this SPF. I'm using this currently, and trust me, this is too good. Try it.
Is
Yeah,
it?
yeah. I have the bigger one.
Okay, I will.
And open
I
any
will-
consistency, Jojo, bro. That is too smooth.
I will give it a try.
And
And let me tell you, she is not only good in fragrances, she is also good at skincare. I am good at makeup, she is good at skincare. Is there a better combo?
you can see एक है जो over. And I am the one who only prefers lipstick and kajal, and I'm good to go anywhere.
And I prefer
The whole
Full.
thing 2 घंटे लगाती है
full
तैयार
face
होने
of
में.
it. No,
She's
no, she's
literally taking
she's-
us out 2 hours.
No. Trust me, guys. Trust me. You know that I don't
know
lie.
her since like
10 more than 10 years.
and
We should actually celebrate 10 years anniversary.
just like Plum did.
Okay, let's
So this is the most ऐसा ये सबसे मेरा फेवरेट है because मुझे कब से ये ट्राई करना
बस मेरे को
था.
दिखाना.
नहीं, wait.
Okay.
Let me open it for you.
Oh,
First of all, ये
Cuties.
vanilla caramello, the mini version. So you can carry this anywhere wherever you.
अच्छा mini.
Vanilla vibes.
Very,
You can
very cute.
carry. ए तू जाए છે ना like हमણાં.
Yeah, I'm going on a trip. Small trip. It is
Yeah,
like
so
3
you can
days.
carry these things with
Minis.
you.
Yeah. Nice.
And I wanna try. मैंने अभी तक इसको खोल के try नहीं किया. Let's smell it together.
This is
This is smoking vanilla. Yeah.
Cute.
Cute cut. I heard it smells to heaven. Oh, bro.
This smells so good. Why didn't you got this in a bigger size?
I
This is
wanted.
so-
Let's have another one.
Another haul? No.
Oh,
This is
I'm
too good.
surely gonna purchase the bigger size.
This is way too good, and similarly I will also purchase this.
ये क्या ये तो
Oh,
मैंने
oh,
भाई।
हमको तो मजे ही आ गए.
चलो अच्छा परफ्यूम पे और सस्ता पड़ेगा के मजे मजे What's this? Great skin is like a perfect recipe. It all starts with the right ingredients.
This is fridge sticker, I can say.
Maybe.
हाँ, fridge sticker अच्छा
Fridge
जो.
magnet.
हाँ, it
Magnet है?
हाँ, of course it is.
Okay. Okay, so here we have the last one.
Lipstick free है?
હાસ તો કેટલું બધું free આવ્યું છે.
Yeah,
Just look.
actually nice.
I got all these products under 1800.
Actually, when she sent a link to me to do the last payment and everything, and when I saw that it was just 1700 or
हाँ,
something.
1729 and something like that.
1700, and I was like, थोड़ी वस्तु, like it would be like a really small haul. So, and when she came with a huge box, I was like, oh god, she gone crazy while buying all this stuff. Thank you for taking out time for me to pick out all this, and thank you for coming on my channel.
ऐसा
Formality.
ना करिस. No need to do that.
Okay, so let's pick the favorite one.
Okay, tell me इसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा what you like. एक ने ध्रुविशा just 1 or 3. Let me help you. Let me help you.
I like everything. Wait. No. Seriously. Let me just pick one. Two things, right?
3. ऐसा like कि number
Okay, top 3.
हाँ number 3 then number 2 and the top 1.
जो चीज़ है ना, इसको तो मैं रेट नहीं कर रही because I use this on
हाँ.
everyday basis.
Then apart from this, choose something like you will.
This Hawaiian Roomba is also top 1, but मैं इसे already use करती
तो ऐसा side में कर.
इसको नहीं, जो नई चीज़ आई है ना उसमें
हाँ.
this is on 3rd place.
Okay.
Because I wanted to experiment with
Citrus
fragrance.
fragrances. She's always been into like as a warm vanilla, then sweet and floral notes. She never been into citrus things, so this is for the first time she's gonna try this one.
Yes. And this is very comfort one.
Yeah,
The smell is like very comforting.
it is.
So
And who
the-
is number 1?
this baby's one. Sorry, 3rd, 2,
2.
and this is 1. So it's mini, but this
हम
smells
इसको
so good.
मतलब पक्का ऐसा खरीदने वाले
Bigger
यही
version.
सेल में. Yeah.
यही सेल में
It's like कि if you buy, I'll buy.
If you'll buy, I buy. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this, and let me know. I should make
I
more
want to tell
videos.
one more thing.
हाँ, okay.
Go and subscribe our channel, please.
रे कर दो यार, इसने बोल दिया है.
And don't forget to like and comment as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you want to see more videos with her, please do let me know what videos should I make, and will you be on my channel again?
Of course, that's the biggest honor I'm having. ये ज़्यादा हो गया.
We have planned, many stuff that we will,
Do together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And if you guys have something on your mind and if you
In
want,
your mind.
yeah,
you
will never stop doing.
correcting her grammar.
She will never stop doing such things. Agar means कि if you have something in your mind and you want कि that particular thing we should do together,
The video
then,
ideas.
yeah,
Please
please let us know in the comment section and please show your love, support her, and
I am also dropping her Instagram and her YouTube link in the description box below. So please don't forget to subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram. So that's it for this video. Bye.
Bye.